G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the most important tool in which you could have in any workshop or even at home. It is an engine crane. This helps so much to remove engines, gearboxes, and move them around the place. Even if it needs to go from one side of the yard to the other, an engine crane is a really great way to do it. Now, these do come in a variety of different shapes, sizes, and most importantly, prices. If you are doing a lot of engine removals in an industrial area, investing in some serious money in one of these will save you bacon more than once. If you're like me and do a lot of home stuff, spending several $100s on it is not a bad investment for something you're going to be using probably a couple of times a year, if not quite regularly, depending on what you're doing with the vehicle. Now, they do range from prices of around $300 and upwards and over $1,000 and sometimes even more. Depending on what you're doing with it, like I said, you want to choose the right one to suit the application. For me personally, I'm not going to invest in a $1,500 piece of equipment that I'm going to be using probably 2, maybe 3 times a year. It just doesn't make sense. If you're in a workshop where you do that sort of stuff, investing in the quality and a decent product and spending money on it will help save you bacon more than once. So it's not a tool that you really need to have on the go essentially straight away, but it is a really handy tool to have. If you don't have one, you're likely borrowing it from me or a mate to help get that engine out. It is a really safe way to also transport engines around, like I said before, and is a really great tool to have in the arsenal if you've got the room for it, and most importantly, the price. Don't forget to also buy the adapters in which you need to be able to remove an engine, whether it be a hook or the lifting platform, whatever it may be. Make sure you buy the right tools. Don't just use straps. Use the right tools and the equipment to give it the best and safest opportunity to get out of the car without injuring yourself and or others. While you're at Minisport, make sure to check out the full range of merchandise. They have jumpers, hoodies, hats, shirts, and even stubby coolers. So keep those drinks cool. Check them out at www.minisport.com.au. I'll catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.